Guess what this is? I've been waiting for this. So we were supposed to get this last week, but the snowstorm happened, so it was just sitting there. They wanted to drop it off today, but somehow they thought we're closed.
When the doors open all day.
Yeah, when we were here, we had like 8 cars outside, lined up. So, really odd. FedEx. But yeah, we had a long day, couldn't film anything, but we had pretty much 5 cars tuned, and it was really hectic. Jake went to go get this one while I was underneath of one of the cars, putting the side skirts on.
A lot of goodies in there.
Yeah. This is supposedly worth of $2,500. More than that car's worth. Or maybe put these 2 cars together.
Yeah, really, I think so.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, nice packaging. They don't usually pack it this way, but I actually demanded this one this way so that I could pack up more. They didn't recommend it at all, but if you buy their parts, they'll never ship it like this, just for your reference. But I told them, like, if anything, I'll claim the insurance.
Jay's all about sending it anyways.
Yeah, I mean, this will not be a one-piece suit. This won't be like all cracks.
That's kind of sad to hear, honestly.
But look at that, all pre-packaging. Really? And as I was, so, yeah, this is not like sponsored advertising or anything. I bought this, but I've been working with ARC Performance for years. I've been really good friends with the owner too, so, and I had their parts on my other car before. So this looks like the missing piece right here. Looks like the gas cap.
Yeah, I think so.
You see it?
I wonder why we would need that.
So now you already know this is ARC Performance white body kit, Legato, just to be exact. The reason why we bought this is I loved it when I had it on standing, and also this is the only body kit that's out there. It will cover the whole quarter panel pretty much from this line and down. It's not too aggressive like some body kits that like sticks out this much, and that's just no for me. I want something stock body line, something that goes along with the.
Is this both bumpers?
Factory bumper. Huh?
Is this both, I guess?
Oh,
it feels like it.
This is the front. Oh, actually, yeah, I did get the front and back.
Yeah, so I think that's both. It feels a little bit heavier.
Oh, yeah.
How to break a body kit in 10 minutes.
Yeah, maybe I'll break this in half.
Yeah, because that's the rear bumper right there that's showing through.
Yeah. So they'll give you one for the rear bumper like that on each side.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
More that goes to the bumper. Somewhere in that package. Maybe it's
There's something there.
Yeah, it's So I bought the whole kit, pretty much. And they kind of hooked me up for the front and back bumper. I mean rear bumper, getting the side skirts. So this is the whole kit. Alright, so we're in the middle of setting up for taking some pictures. Yeah, just be careful, Jake. Just watch where you're going. Just don't. Yeah. So yeah, so we are gonna take some pictures. But it's gonna be amazing because we're gonna have the engine and transmission in there too. So this bumper was their spare bumper when they were in Formula D. So it was never really installed. Just had a little bit of vinyl so they could put their sponsor logos and whatever. This is all like vinyl wrap. So pretty cool. And also the bumper has a little crack, and that's what I got for cheaper. But either way, it's like great quality. You can't beat anything else. They fit really good, and they will actually literally drop.
Yes.
I don't know how good those spot welds are, Jake.
We're gonna find out.
We'll find out. I mean, I was sleeping here.
Oh yeah, it's true.
At one point, yeah. But yeah, Jake's up here trying to take some good pictures. and we set up here. Yeah, that's it. You gotta see what Jake looks like right now from my view. Yeah, he's sacrificing everything for you guys.
So I can make it fall?
You filming already?
Uh-huh.
So we couldn't resist at all. I was kind of beat.
But then you saw the body kit.
But then as soon as we did that, I'm like, yeah, we gotta do this. So just test fitting everything, and as you can see, it hides about 90%, I would say. It shows a little bit here, which doesn't bother me. Once it's painted, you won't be able to see it. Yeah, yeah. And obviously this line doesn't line up because, you know, I don't have the right body line here.
Because
yeah, it's just a piece of metal just holding. No, just watch out, Jake.
I won't, yeah.
The whole tail, it will fall off. And this is still a little bit banged up, but everything could be done nicely. And then now I already know that what I need to do to make this body line appear better. Because now it shows where I need to. So that's why we're not doing anything to this. But look at this already.
I know, like.
Look at it from here. Look how wide body it is. I mean, it's not like wide body, but again, like some other body kits just go whoop, and it's just out of whack. You want something that's a little bit more taper, right? And hi, Jay. So I can still see this. I can see this. Like, what's wrong with this thing? But look at that. So that's gonna hide everything here too. So I'm just gonna finish up here, and look at the fitment. Again, you can't beat the quality of these body kits. So don't cheap out on some eBay stuff or some unknown fake ass copy body kits. Get one of these if you want to go with wide body, make the stock line appear better. Definitely go with the ARC Performance ones. Again, this comes in handy for us. Because we've been doing some body work.
And this covers up what we would have had to do.
Yeah, well, no, I'm just saying, like some people think we're just only tuning, maybe some fabrication, but not that this is like some advanced technique, but we have everything that we could put cars together.
Yeah, really.
And just doing janky Bondo body work to Jake's and people say shit, but got turned off.
No, I put it to my face and said, oops.
Oh. But it all pays off because we've been exercising, practicing all this techniques. Dang, this will barely
clear.
No, maybe I need a little bit of metal here because it's not now flush with the door. So I'll leave this thing alone here for now.
But either way, I mean, it's on there.
Yeah, I need that little metal welded underneath here, just for my reference, and then it will be sit flush. So yeah, we couldn't go home because after doing this, we're like, let's put this on. So what you just saw, but it looks sick. Woo! The side skirts doesn't fit because the arms on the lift are just on the way. This is the missing piece when I had Sandy. I didn't want to go too aggressive, but now that this is going to cover up the damage, I bought those. Fenders fit perfect, and we did a great job on this side at least for the headlight. It fits perfect. Look at the line. Yeah, everything's just like flush. Whereas this side, now we're thinking, like we had to do that already once. That's because the fenders didn't line up and the bumper. So we have possibly that bumper's a little bit off. Maybe, it's not the OEM one, and we thought that was like extra big for some reason. As you can see, we gotta redo this part, which sucks. I mean, we could probably fix this at the same time all this happened, and it wasn't my fault because I did put I did go in the back and spray this and still happen without contact of any chemicals. So that's probably, we probably had some bad batch of spray can or something, but look at that. And look how wide it is now. It's gotta be nice and aggressive when you have a drift car or something just driving like stands. And like I said, this is just not for a drift car. If you see Sandy actually driving in person, you'll be amazed. Because I didn't notice it till I sold it, and the current owner actually drove it. I'm like, holy shit, that looks amazing.
No wonder I was breaking necks everywhere.
Yeah, I mean, that's what they say. But yeah, exactly. Like if you want some stands or just nicer looking just scoop in general, go ahead. Cool part.
It always was, but like, people always like, oh, go for it. Like,
yeah, but we'll never forget. We'll never forget. That's why we keep that sticker. This was a cool part car, and it will be. But yeah, no one's gonna talk shit. Oh, the jet scoop's like shit, ugly looking.
No, it's like, oh shit.
Well, has no potential. Shut the hell up. No, just kidding. But yeah, amazing. Look at this fender line. I'm serious, man. People, like, if you don't want something too crazy, but like crazy enough, this is the kit for you, definitely. And hence why I actually had to buy this again when I had different choices. Look at that.